guys, and this is a new update of the small box that from the dashboard is the MPH. Although you have choose in the factory settings, although you choose the imperial unit, from this side is still showing in KMH. So we have the new software for you guys to put in the files to the thumb drive, to the USB drive. And plug it into the USB port. But first you have to copy the files that I sent to you and just collect the files from me, provide the audio ID to us, and we will send you the latest update, the fixed update. And USB drive, plug it into the screen. USB, you will see this. You will have pops up the OTA update, and you just press yes and just wait. Yeah. Update is done, and now we start. So after the startup, it will pops up this. Just ignore and just unplug the USB drive and just press no, because it's done for the update. And right now, just go to the settings for change the factory settings 190627, and then okay, and select the imperial unit, and gotcha, the MPH is here. Yeah, so hope you guys get it update and enjoy the unit. Thank you.